Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's special episode, where we explore the incredible benefits of playing with clay. Let's dive into the world of clay play and discover its amazing benefits. Clay play is not just about creating shapes, it's a sensory experience. The tactile nature of clay stimulates the senses, providing a unique and therapeutic touch. It's a fantastic way for kids to explore different textures, improving their sensory awareness. As you can see, the kids are fully engaged, enjoying the sensation of the clay in their hands. One of the most significant benefits of clay play is its ability to unleash creativity. When kids mold and shape the clay, they're not just making objects, they're bringing their imagination to life. From animals to abstract shapes, the possibilities are endless. Clay play encourages children to think outside the box and express themselves freely. Now, let's talk about the developmental aspect. Working with clay requires precision and control, helping to refine fine motor skills. Pinching, rolling, and shaping the clay all contribute to the development of hand-eye coordination. These fine motor skills are essential for various activities in life, from writing to tying shoelaces. Clay play is a fun way to hone these skills. Clay play isn't just an individual activity, it's a fantastic opportunity for social interaction. When kids come together to create, they learn to communicate, share ideas, and work as a team. It's heartwarming to see them exchanging thoughts and supporting each other's creativity.